Recently, the State Ministry of Science and Technology released a notice of the Ministry of Science and Technology proof of the special project of 2013 major national science instruments and equipment development, in which the project of development and application of full-view, high-precision, three-dimensional measuring instrument undertaken by AVIC, high-tech was approved. This is the first time for AVIC to get a proof of development and promotion of national scientific instruments. Recently, the airline Airbird test component, that is the structural project used for the Airbird test of large domestic aircraft C919, was successful offline in HT-HYSA special materials (COTD) and formally delivered to COMAC Shanghai Aircraft Design and Research Institute. On November 23rd, COMAC US COTD was formally established in Newport City of California. Liu Jian, Consul General of China in Los Angeles, and Jing Zhonglong, Chairman of COMAC, joining AVIC COMAC US component. Reporters learned from Chengdu Shuangliu International Airport that the Air starts 72-hour TWOV international transit services, in which transit passengers can receive services like coupons, special rest areas, and direct trains within Chengdu scenic spots. Recently, the State Council approved Dalian International Airport as the 72-hour TWOV airport, Dalian becoming the sixth city in China to implement this policy. On November 11th, Cessna Aircraft Company announced Vietnam Rayfeng Business Jet Company had ordered two Cessna Citation Mustang aircraft for charter flights in China. Reporters learned from Shanghai Airport Group that on November 21st, the Pudong Airport initially launched the business pilot for air cargo transshipment. Recently, the final assembly of Primus 150, independently developed by AVIC Special Vehicle Research Institute and AVIC General Aircraft Research Institute, has drawn to a close, planning to achieve man and fly at the end of this year and complement airworthiness certification and market launching in 2015. On November 20th, reporters learned from the world's second-largest airline, Airlines, the SkyTeam, that with the joining of airlines like China Southern Airlines, the airline networks of SkyTeam in Greater China has maintained an annual growth of 50%. In 2012, SkyTeam served more than 140 million passengers in Greater China. On November 16th, the last McDonnell Douglas aircraft in China, an MD-11 cargo plane of China Cargo Airlines, subordinate to China Eastern Airlines, flew from Shanghai Pudong International Airport and returned to the United States after its firm tied with Shanghai for nearly 30 years. On November 20, Hainan Airlines said the board approved the decision to increase capital for Chang'an Airlines and West Air, compared with the 400 million used increased capital for Chang'an Airlines to enrich its fund and reduce its asset load rate. A total of nearly 2 million yuan was injected by Hainan Airlines and other shareholders into low-cost airline, with West Air having more highlines. The highlight of the second Macomb Business Aviation exhibition held from November 1st to 3rd, that the Macomb Business Aviation Development Forum attracted nearly 100 guests from the aviation sector and civil aviation-related sectors to the meeting, jointly discussing the further development of Chinese business aviation. It's evident that business jets have great advantages and important roles in commercial activities. for which there are a few enterprises rushing into this market, but the lack of industry standards and a favorable environment becomes a fatal trauma that is difficult to avoid. First of all, FBO is the key to development of business aviation. The reason why customers chose to travel on business flight instead of commercial flight is the convenience, fastness, and privacy of the former. However, it seems rather difficult to present business aviation companies to give full play to the advantages of business aviation because of problems such as tight parking fields, terminal resources, and flight times, and difficultly promote service quality caused by lack of functionality. Secondly, since most people have the impression that business jets are luxuries only played by rich people, high-end luxuries business jets account for absolute promotion. When using business jets, most customers are still inclined to listen with lower usage rates.